Hi, we're back today, guys, it's not fly tying video, but it's going to help you with fly tying. Now, usually when you blend dubbing, you will use a coffee grinder or something like that. Or now they have boards and brushes that look like they have the pet brushes, and you just blend it like that. But today, I'm going to be showing you a dubbing blender that I thought was really cool, and I'm going to show you what you need to make it. It's really not that hard. One, you're going to need a cup. I'm using a glass cup. Make sure it's smooth on the inside and that it has a round bottom. It'll be mixing the dubbing up a lot easier. Then what else you're going to need is a sheet of aluminum foil, tape. You don't have to use tape. And then a small an air compressor of some sort. So what you're going to do, first, you're going to take your cup, and what you're going to do is you're going to create a lid. Now mine is made out of all aluminum foil with some tape to hold the tube into position. You don't want the tube going straight down or straight to the side, and you don't want it straight in the middle. You want it off to the side a little bit, and that will create a sort of effect in the jar, which makes the dubbing go in an X pattern, and it will just mix up the dubbing a lot easier and a lot quicker. So what you can do is any dubbing really works. If you're using polyester dubbing in two different colors of polyester dubbing to mix it, then you're going to have it in a little bit longer because it doesn't mix as easy. But today we're going to be using plain color polyester dubbing, yellow, and polyester, this sparkly polyester dubbing, and that's in gold. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your dubbing and you're just going to rip it up into the cup, and then this shiny gold stuff, a little bit goes a long ways, guys, so don't put too much in there. Make sure it's all in the cup right at the bottom. Then you're going to take your lid. You want it on there, but so that's loose, so that the air can come out, can release from the cup, and you don't have it just popping the lid up or pushing it up like that. And then you're just going to turn on your air compressor, and it blends it. You take your lid off. Make sure to check the top of the lid because sometimes it gets stuck on the hose. Now you have perfectly blended dubbing. It's really fun to make, especially once you make it and then use it, and then you go use it and it looks good on your flies, and you just get that confidence, like, hey, I made that. It works. So keep fishing, guys. Keep tying, and I'll see you guys next week.
Yeah.